Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of Halal Recipe. Today we'll be making coconut cookies. My ingredients are flour, butter, vanilla essence, baking powder, icing sugar, coconut, egg yolk, egg white and jam. So for today we're going to start with the butter and icing sugar. So we're going to cream this in first. So we'll start by putting these two in. We've kept butter. Okay, so I've kept icing sugar and butter in here. So now we're going to let it cream. Okay, so we'll just mix the butter and sugar because there's a bit of sugar left at the bottom. Then we'll give it another mix. Okay. Okay, so now I've creamed my sugar and butter, and now the color is white. Before we add in the flour, we'll add in the egg yolk. Okay, so I'll just mix it again. Remove the ones just stuck on the side. Okay, this is ready now. So we'll add in our vanilla. We'll give it a mix. Then we'll add in our flour and baking powder. Okay, so now we're going to add in flour. We'll put bit by bit. Okay, so we'll add in the flour. I've mixed the baking powder inside the flour. So we'll add, let's start with that first. Remember, we need to make this into a form of dough, so we'll add more flour. Okay. Okay, so we'll check on our cookies. So it seems okay, looks okay to mold. So I'll just go by this. I won't add any more of flour because I don't want it to become harder than this. So this is ready. Okay, Okay, so I'm going to mold them and then we'll place them onto the baking tray. So we'll grease our pan, our baking tray. Okay, then we'll place our cookies here. Okay, so you take your dough, you mold it, then you brush it with egg white, both sides. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to put it into the coconut. Okay, now place it here and you make a small hole with your finger. Then I'm going to take jam. I'm just going to put it there. So that's how it's done. So we have to finish up this. So we'll go on. Our cookies are now ready. We've put them on the pan. Now we're going to bake them. So cookies will take around 10 to 15 or 5 to 10 minutes. And yeah, so once they're ready, I'm going to show you how it looks like. And so let's wait for the cookies to cook. Our cookies are ready now. Let's check up on them. Okay, so our cookies are ready now and I want to show you how they look like. So mine are very well done. So it depends on you guys. You see my coconuts are cooked well. So if you guys want it less brown, it can happen. But I've cooked mine well done. So I'm going to plate them. As you can see, the jam looks so yummy. Okay, so that's my coconut cookies. Those are my coconut cookies, as you can all see. And let's have a try. They're hot, but we'll have a try. So this is how it looks. Inside it's so white and nice. And let's just try it. It's so hot, but it's really nice. I would advise all of you to try and let me know how it comes out. And any queries or anything, you can always comment on below or on our social media. I hope you've understood how to make the cookies, and that's it. So please also don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel. And also any questions, anything you'd like, please don't hesitate to comment or ask. I hope you've enjoyed and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.